Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and ZIP archives in Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. To do this, you will need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download. And now let's locate the files. Sorry, the camera always is out of focus in this app. Let's find the files right here. Click on them. Then click on the arrow pointing up button right here inside the RAR archive. Then you can customize the extraction options however you like, but it's not necessary. You can also click on browse to change the designation where the files will be unpacked. In this case, let's go for the downloads folder. Click on OK. Then proceed to click on OK again. And your files should be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.